How do you know if you're making the right decision? Or how do you know you're making the best one? The truth is you don't entirely. However, decision making is a skill. And like any skill, there's a technique to understanding it. And this is where Vedic meditation comes in. A practice that gives everyone access to that field of intelligence, that field of knowledge that's within. It's an experience that develops a greater sense of knowingness. That is your intuition. And then your intuition and your rational thinking become one of the same thing. You begin to make decisions spontaneously, with greater ease and discernment. Meaning there's no time wasted on the pros and cons, or sitting and dwelling on the consequences of what may or may not happen. Instead, you're always moving forward, acting accordingly. Even if you're unsure, that sense of knowingness will kick in and tell you to do the research. In other words, take each step as it comes. It's like trying to cross the river. You place one foot on a stepping stone, and if it feels right, you take the other foot and you place it on the next stone. It's like that. It's continual progression. You're moving forward. And with regular meditation, we're familiarizing ourselves with that field of intelligence, so it awakens our intuition. And our intuition becomes vibrant in our awareness, and it stabilizes, so then we can trust it. We can rely upon it. And the best part about this is anyone can learn this skill. There's a technique to decision making.